One of the biggest problems traders face are when to enter and when to exit trades. If you're a USA or late London session trader, this is for you. And we are now officially at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a very common time that many traders start to wake up, look to enter markets, or are trading the late London session. We call this a True Algo bearish candle close, as we've closed below the box. We're not interested as much as in this because this is when we're not active in markets. This is 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is when we're active in markets. We have that confirmation candle close. We're simply going to do this. We open a short position and we're looking to target the next box lower. We have now gotten to our take profit. We'll close the position here, but notice this candle hasn't closed bullish. Just like here how we closed bearish, we want to wait for this candle to close bullish. We can now see that it's 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and before New York opens in an hour, this is now a place where we are going to look to open a long position. We don't have to wait for New York to open. We have a bullish confirmation close from True Algo. Open a buy position immediately in the next 15 minutes. You have another winning position. New York is getting ready to open here shortly. And this is 50% of the move so far that it's retraced, so we can close this position or let it ride. Very next candle still moves up. We're now attacking this fair value gap, and there's the New York Open. Right here is where most retail traders are now going to start to short the New York Open. Until we get a bullish close, we can't look for price to push up, but we haven't lost this box. When we lose this box, that's where we'll look to short. The box doesn't move when you use True Algo. So here we will sit here and wait for the bullish close to push up or wait for a bearish close to push down. This way you don't get trapped during New York Open, and that's why closes matter. There's your bullish close. We're going to open a position here. Now this is crucial. Using the True Algo system, we can look to add another position right at the top of that box, the 50% mark of that box, and the very bottom of the box. But listen carefully here. Most retail traders, the mistake they make is they will enter in all of their position right here. What we will do is we will scale into our position. Let's say 20 to 25% here, right there if that line gets tapped, right there if that line gets tapped, right there if that line gets tapped, allowing us to scale in and mitigate our risk. These longs will be invalidated when activated when we close below the box. As you can see here, we only have one position open and it's already up. Right here is where retail traders are going to start to short. You can see now we've tapped and we now open our second position. Retail traders will start to short, and now our second position was activated. And now you can see both positions are up even more than what the original one was. Because the box doesn't move, you can plan out your trades. You get your bullish close, you open your first position. When it comes down into our box, until it closes below our box, it can allow you to scale in and get those sniper entries. And remember, our take profit will be when we get to the box or when we fill this fair value gap. If you're an ICT trader, we help you finally find the gaps that need to be filled. Right about here is where most retail traders will start to short as that gap's been filled, but this gap is in the middle of our boxes. True Algo is telling us we're going to go up higher. We've now inverted that fair value gap and we've gotten to our first take profit area. Because we had multiple entrances using the True Algo system, we're going to close one of these contracts right here. And now here's the key thing. We still have one contract open because we had multiple entrances, first on the bullish close and now where the box starts right here. And because we are able to allow one contract to ride, once we close bearish under this box, that's when we can look to get out of this position. If not, we can continue to target higher until this candle closes bearish below the box. And now you can see here where most retail traders would be out of the position, we can let that last contract ride. As you can see, this candle has not closed bearish. It's now closed above the box, and using True Algo, our traders can now target the next box higher. Right here is a True Algo beacon. It has an 89% chance to be cleared, allowing us to maximize profit. We've now hit our take profit area. You can close the position out now. Though the very next candle did hit our True Algo beacon, it's okay to leave a little bit on the table. We've now been able to move through markets during the New York session and the late London session when price really is volatile. And here you can see how the True Algo system can help you fair value gap traders as well as scale into your ideas to move through markets. If you want to learn more and get live coaching every single day to show you how to use the system, come join us at truealgo.com.